In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Trello board to another workspace. If you manage projects across multiple teams, copying a board is a fast way to reuse a proven setup without rebuilding lists and cards from scratch. This keeps your structure consistent while letting each workspace work independently. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Sign into your account so you have access to your boards and workspaces. Once you're in, head to your boards view. This is where all your personal and workspace boards are organized, making it easy to find what you need. In the workspace section, locate the board you want to duplicate and click to open it. You'll be working from the original board, and nothing you do here will change it. You're just going to create a copy based on it. Look to the top right of the board for the three-dot menu, sometimes labeled with more or shown as an icon. Click that to open the board options. From this menu, choose Copy Board. This opens a setup window where you'll define the details of your new board. Enter a clear, descriptive title for your copy. A helpful tip is to include the destination workspace name or a date so teammates can distinguish it at a glance. Next, select the workspace where you want the new board to live. You'll need permission to create boards in that workspace. If it doesn't appear, check with a workspace admin. Depending on your account, you may see options showing what will be included when the board is copied. Trello typically duplicates lists and cards, but it won't bring over members or comment history. Labels and checklists often carry over, and card due dates and descriptions usually do as well. Keep this in mind so you know what to expect in the copy. When everything looks good, click Create. Trello will generate the new board in the workspace you selected. This is a separate board, so changes made here won't affect the original. If you're organizing many boards, consider using a consistent naming convention to make them easy to find later. That's it. You've signed in, opened the board you want, used the three-dot menu to copy it, named the copy, selected the destination workspace, and created the new board. A quick note before we wrap up. Because members and comments don't transfer, your team may need to be added again on the new board, and any discussions will start fresh there. This approach keeps the template clean while letting each workspace run its own version of the board independently.